Entire in aluminum that came in a block gun gear. So there, the titanium aluminum alloy has necessarily manufactured. The infamous cometless Manith has faced a one full green down. Every fighter jet begins its life as raw material.
Before construction starts, everything is tested.
Every cut is planned before it happens.
Solid metal becomes precision parts.
Every surface is refined to perfection.
The door of the Shape of Humor aircraft planet. The Sumner's soft life Springer has experienced the signs of the power purification room. Everything going to work at rack right now, and their fighter will happen. Not added.
Perfect alignment is critical.
The alignments and fastening starts for his Archean area, including the Openzola. The wings are built for extreme forces.
Every panel fits exactly as designed.
Inside the fuselage, everything has its path. Fuel, hydraulics, cooling air, each system layered and secured like arteries in a living machine. The amber lines carry pressurized fuel toward the engines. Silver tubes with blue bands wrap.
Modern fighters depend on vast networks of wiring. Thousands of color-coded lines thread through the airframe, carrying power, data, and signals to every sensor and system. Each harness is measured, tagged, and routed by hand, woven into the structure like nerves in a body.
This is the brain of the aircraft.
This is where pilot and machine will connect.
Every control is designed for speed and survival. This particular has available in the war of true virus closer to the helicord, while they're being a throttle or the undefined farms. Sometime, when the war is just a slow relationship.
Fabrication. Unless second eventually has accomplished, you'd wait those who will be witnessed in the single 0.1 millidamus degrees. The heart of the fighter jet is built separately. Engine components demand the highest precision.
Here, individual parts become a working engine, built to withstand extreme heat and pressure.
Before installation, every engine is tested, balanced, and pushed to its limits.
Once approved, the engine is carefully transported, ready to become part of the aircraft.
This is a critical moment. The engine is finally integrated into the aircraft.
Tests. The engine is locked into place. Every connection must be exact.
Affordable. Landing gear must absorb extreme force. Built to handle weight, speed,
and impact.
Once installed, the aircraft can finally stand on its own.
Fuel systems are installed next. Designed to operate safely under extreme conditions.
So flight control systems are installed next. These systems translate pilot input into precise movement.
Stealth coatings are applied with absolute precision. Each robotic arm follows a programmed path down to the millimeter, laying down microscopic layers that absorb radar and resist extremes. In this room, the difference between shadow and reflection is engineered one droplet at a time.
Before stealth coatings are applied, every surface is perfected. Even the smallest flaw matters.
Before flight, hydraulic systems are tested under pressure. Reliability is critical.
Or control surfaces are installed. They shape how the aircraft moves through the air. Every surface is inspected. Stealth depends on perfection.
Panel seams are sealed to reduce radar signature. Each bead of compound is applied in a controlled line and leveled until the joint disappears. After curing, laser inspection verifies a surface that's flushed down to microns. The result is a continuous skin that leaves nothing for radar to catch, only smooth.
Software verifies every function and response.
For the first time, systems come alive. Position. The canopy is installed. Clear, strong, and precise.
Lineators and services on unscrewing to transforming. One step you were laying, ionized ink note pencil. It works with a laying of what you on beacons very shortly. Allow derived signals for this influence. It will include all
significance from raw material to combat-ready aircraft. The process is complete.
Engine runs at power, controlled, measured. Flying, controlled.
After years of engineering, testing, and precision, the aircraft is ready for the sky.
From raw materials to first flight, this is how a modern fighter jet is built.
From raw materials to the sky. This is how a modern fighter jet is built.